Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood. Welcome to this week's RNK Software Club's video for the week. And our topic for this week is about the new video search feature on the RNK Software Club website. And we know you're going to love this ability because there's so many great videos, and now it's going to be so easy to find just the right one. And so if you're ready to get started, let's go ahead and make my screen larger so that we can look at the RNK Software Club website. And the first thing I'll point out is that there are ribbons on the home page for each of the different software programs. If you want to visit one of those programs, you simply click on, for example, Floriani Fusion. Now the website is all about Floriani Fusion. And if I scroll down, there's an option to see the training videos. And this is where you'll find that it's totally a new sort of appearance of the training videos. The Fusion training videos, for example, are curated into lists. You can see the fundamentals videos right now. If I hover over a video, it gives me a text description of what that video is. If you're just looking at the icons, you can see at the top the names of the videos at the top and kind of what they're about. And if you click on a different category, you'll see different videos. And so this is a different list for creating. This is the topic for text and lettering. And this is the topic for editing and how to. And if you find a video that you want to watch, then you simply click and it opens up like a pop-up player where you would click play to watch the video, or there's a share icon if you want to, help your friends watch the same videos. And when you're done with all this, you can click on the X and it will go away and you're back to your sort of search ability. And at the top of the screen, notice that there's an icon for Fusion and an icon for the homepage. So if you want to continue to explore the Fusion part of the website, you can click there. And of course, you can always click on home to go right back to the beginning again. So notice that a lot of the videos have searchable playlists like this. So for example, if we go into our Total Quilter area and then we click on the video training for Total Quilter, now the training videos are all about Total Quilter. There is not a list of categories in this case. It's all one sort of category. But notice that if I scroll through the numbers, this is page 1. I can click to see page 2, and I can click to see page 3. And so there's 3 pages of videos that I can quickly go through by just clicking on page 1, 2, or 3, or you can scroll with your mouse on your computer to see the different pages. And if you want to use the search ability up at the top, then you put your cursor in the search area and you type out a word. So I'll search applique and then click the search icon, and it'll show me videos about applique. And you can, if you want to go back to seeing all of your videos again, you can just remove the word applique from here and then click search again. And that'll bring you back to kind of reset. And I'll just click on the RNK at the top to go right back to the home page. And then this time, I think I'll take you into the Floriani Total Control U area because there are several really great video training resources in this area. First of all, you've got your main sort of training videos. Here you've got the different categories like fundamentals or features, how to, and once I click on how to, I can scroll through several pages of how-to videos. But if I wanted to, quickly click on text and lettering, now I'm on that sort of curated playlist. There's an editing playlist, projects, and digitizing. So a lot of videos there. And this is where you have the ability to search through each playlist. So just know that when you do search, you're searching through currently the digitizing playlist. And you might want to try also searching through the how-to playlist because the videos will be different from each other. And so what I also want to point out, if you click on the F to go back to the main Floriani training area, there's other training videos in this area. Another one is called the Past Build Video Archive. In other words, each time we improved or enhanced the Floriani software, we created videos, and these are those videos. They're the first videos about each new tool. And you can simply scroll through all of the different Floriani ones. Notice here it says Total Control U. So this is like going backwards in time, looking at what was introduced in the previous build and the previous build. And so there's a large video playlist there. And these are all different videos than, for example, the weekly videos. And so up at the top, you'll notice that these are the Total Control U past build videos, but there's also Sketch-A-Stitch. These are the updates to the Sketch-A-Stitch and the updates to all the programs, Lettering Master, Rainbow, and Total Quilter. If you click back at the very top, you can go back to any of these different sections, like go back to Sketch-A-Stitch area. And like I said, there's always the home button to go right back to the home. One more place I want to point out, and that's the Total Control U. Here you'll find the featured weekly videos, and every week there's a new video added to the list. And so this is not a curated list, but more of a curated by time list. But it is probably the largest video list of all of them. If you scroll backwards, you'll notice that there are page upon page upon page of videos, and these are all excellent videos. And so now really the search ability will be fantastic, because if I come in here and I search applique and hit enter or the search icon, I get 2 pages of videos, for the applique topic. But if you want to learn about how to use the slice tool, you can simply add the word slice and hit search, and now it'll bring you your slice tool video. And if you want to go back to seeing all the videos, just get rid of the word slice and hit enter on your keyboard, and it goes back to having sort of the multiple pages. I guess one last thing I could say would be that I've tested this all on my mobile, and it all works very similar. Although perhaps the thing that I did notice is, for example, if I go to a video list that has, let's just go into the training videos. If your screen isn't as large, and so maybe if I try to make mine like a little smaller like this, just for a moment, you'll notice that arrows will come up. And so if your screen is smaller and you're not seeing all of the categories, you may need to click on the arrows to go back and forth through those. But beyond that, I found that it worked very well, and it was very mobile friendly. So you can watch your training videos while you're waiting for your family at their appointments, or whatever it is. So we hope that you enjoy all of the enhancements to the RNK Software Club's video search abilities. And until next week, have a wonderful day, and bye for now.